Welcome back to Leah Joe TV. Decorate my Christmas tree with me. Candy canes are a quick, easy way to make your tree fancy. I got these nerd-flavored candy canes from Big Lots. I like the way it makes my tree look. Isn't it gorgeous? Introducing Mama Joe. She is packing your online orders. Check out my boutique at leahjoe.com. Let's take a look at what I got at Big Lots. This is my pink jumbo puppet. It is really nice. This is my purple heart puppet. It is very cool and it looks very, very pretty. This is my most favorite. It is a squishy cake. It smells really good. This is the Pen Art XL. Look at the cool shapes it can make. This is a cool science toy. This is the amazing slime. It is neon. It's very soft and it smells good. Last but not least, I got some headphones. Don't forget to subscribe. Love ya.